Hey y'all, hey. Today is all about self-care, solo day. And so I decided to exercise in my happy place. What is my happy place? I'm glad you asked. Let me show you. That's right. We're at the beach today, exercising, and we'll have lunch. To me, it is so beautiful out here, you guys. I wish you guys were here. I'm loving the life I'm living, taking the foundation of God to create the life that I deserve. Who's taking control of their life? Me. Who's taking control of their life? Me. I say, who's taking control of her life? Me. You release me. You got me begging you for mercy. Why won't you release me? Whew, y'all. Whew, y'all. Y'all, I'm tired. I might be loud because I still got these headphones on. But when I tell you, I worked my butt today, honey. I worked my butt. Oh, I was so excited to be out here to the beach. It has been a while since I stepped out here. And honey, to be at my happy place and exercise at the same time, this is God. This is beautiful. I really feel like I am taking control of my life and creating the life that I want or that I feel like I deserve. Y'all, this feels so good. I walked farther than I expected because on my way back, I almost cried. I was like, Lord, what a kayak, God. Please let me get to the car. Whew. And I didn't have my Apple Watch on, so it didn't tell me when I walked 2 miles or a mile and a half so I can turn around. Because I try to do 3 miles. But honey, I know I walked from Commercial all the way down to Sunrise, a little past Sunrise. If you're from Fort Lauderdale, you know how far that is. And now I am going to try to have lunch. Me tired, but I am so proud of myself, y'all. Over 50, I am 56, and life has changed. And so for those of you that's in your 50s or late 40s or early 60s, and if you don't like the way life is going, get up and do something about it. As much as you can, take control of it. It's some things that we can't control, but it's some things that we can do to make life better. And so exercising for me is making life better and finding those places that make me happy, like the beach and Marco Park. It makes me happy. And so just do that. And I low-key, I really enjoy working out by myself. So I am glad that I'm working out with my partner on Tuesdays, but I'm not going to stop working out by myself during the week, because it's nothing like the sanity, the serene, the peace of mind, the presence of the Lord. And so, take control. That's all I can tell you. Take control. Stop letting life just give us anything. It want to give us anything and think that we're supposed to take it. No, we do not have to take it. We do not have to take it, y'all. I'm going to have lunch at one of my spots that I like on the beach, if I can find some parking. Dang it, because they are crowded. But we'll see. If we don't go here, we're going somewhere. Okay, I wanted to go to Pelican Beach and have brunch, but I couldn't find anywhere to park, so I'm at the Sandbar Grill. I've been here before. It is nice, and so I'm going to sit here, have lunch, and go from there. So come on, let's have lunch. Okay, y'all, because of the way the sun was hitting, I had to record with my phone. And I had a great time. Turn this on. It's already on. But anyway, I had such a good time by myself. Girl, woman, man, boy. Get out and spend some time with yourself. I cannot believe how simple but refreshing this is to me. I just love this for me. I love this for me. And I love it for you too. If you're doing it, I love it for you too. I love it for us. Anyway, I love it, I love it, I love it. Y'all, I was the only one of my kind. I was around this kind. But some are pleasant. Some stare at you like you don't belong. But I stood in my power, my dominion, my authority, honey. And I had the best server. She was so kind. The best server. And so don't let this climate stop you from enjoying your life or try to cause any form of fear or any fashion to make you think that you don't belong, because we belong anywhere we want to go. And so today was good, y'all. Today was good. I danced on the beach. I laughed. I sung. Oh my God. The beach is really, really my happy place. Now, I don't know about you, but the beach is really my happy place. This thing is taking forever to turn. Who said that we can't enjoy life? Who said in the midst of your storm, your trials, your tribulation, that you can't laugh or smile? It's up to you to choose to make the best out of it. Choose to find something to enjoy. Choose to find something to rejoice over. Choose to eat something good, to put on something cute, beat your face, that you don't look like what you're going through. Honestly, so far, I have the same issues that I had in 2024, but 2025, it's good for me. My strength is renewed. My joy has been restored. And even though I'm going through those things, I go through with peace, knowing that God will supply my needs, knowing that God is on the scene, that He will work everything out for my good, knowing that I'm in His presence. And in His presence is full of glory. And so His glory is covering me. His glory is keeping me. So hold your head up, baby. Hold your head up. Put your shoulders back. And own it. Whatever it may be, own it. My confidence has been restored. My faith in myself. Me knowing my worth. And just taking my rightful place in my life. Not in anybody else's life. My rightful place in my life. And I want that for you. I want that for you.